In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automated email replies on your professional contact form. Why you need it? Maybe you're on a vacation or your busy day-to-day life. Then this video will definitely help you out. So stay tuned so you don't miss any of the important steps. I'm going to use professional contact form from Professional Widgets plugin. So if you missed that video, how to get that plugin completely for free, check the link in the description down below. Log into your website WordPress dashboard, come to Pages, All Pages, and wherever you have created your contact form, click on Edit with Elementor. I have it in my home page, just click on it. It will redirect you to your home page, scroll down to find your contact form and click on it. And we have our labels, name, email and message. We need to adjust shortcodes because when you scroll down on email, as you can see, shortcodes are strange. We need to organize. So come to your form fields, under name, advanced, and under ID, select for name, name. And shortcode is going to be automatically filled. Same goes for email and message. Come to advanced, ID, replace it with email. For message also, advanced ID, message. Now, under email, email message is going to be sent to our email address. Subject line is going to be new message from. We are going to adjust it to first name. And message, we are going to adjust it to field ID message. We need to grab all the short codes. So, 2 is going to be your email address. I have put my own, just put your own. Now grab short code for name, under advanced, highlight, copy, come down under email, subject line, new message from, delete this default, and paste field ID name. We're going to receive new message from name. Same goes for message. Grab your shortcode for message on advanced, highlight, copy, come back to email, message, field ID, message. And whatever the message is, we're going to receive it. Now from email is going to email whoever sends us an email. So we need to grab shortcode for email. Come to form fields again, email, advanced, and grab the shortcode. Copy it, come back to email, from email, delete the default one and paste email shortcode. Automatically going to be generated also. So whoever sends us an email message is going to be from his or her email. And from name, we need to delete it and replace it with name of the sender. So come back to form fields, name, advanced, and grab the shortcode, field ID name. Copy it, come back to email, and paste it from name. It's going to be their name. Now this was first step for receiving email messages, and now we need to set automated message. This is part 2. How are we going to do that? You need to come to actions after submit, click on it. We are going to collect submissions. From this email, you need to add email number 2. And we also need to adjust it. Click on email 2. This is going to be automated email message from us. So they just send us an email, now we are going to send them back. So we are going to reply back to them, to their email. Subject line, you can add your own custom subject line. I have added response to your email inquiry. Or you can, for example, type your message to company. And you can put your own random business or company name. Now, as for our automated reply back to them, we need to type some HTML code. It's not that hard. At the start, we need to add paragraph tag like this. I'm going to adjust the message to hello name. We have received your message and will reply back to you in the next 24 hours. Thank you for your patience. Hello, field ID, name. I'm going to put line breaks in between, so not everything is in the same line. I'm going to add paragraph tag again for this new line. We have received your message and will get back to you in the next 24 hours. And for the last sentence, also paragraph tag. Thank you for your patience. Exclamation mark. Now we need to close paragraph tag. Broken bracket slash p close broken bracket. And this is going to be our reply back message. Hello name, we have received your message and will get back to you in the next 24 hours. Thank you for your patience. You can add your own custom reply back message. I'm going to put this template in the link down below. So modify it, adjust however you prefer. And here from email, we need to click, we're going to send this reply back message from our own email. This is going to be my email. From name is going to be our own name. Let's put, for example, Jack Smith. That's for the sake of this tutorial. And reply to is going to be their email. So here in the reply to, you need to grab the shortcode from your form field email. You need to come to your form fields, email, advanced, highlight, copy it, come back to email 2, and you need to paste it here. It's already here, so I'm not going to do that. Once you're done, click on update your changes. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Hope now you know how to set up your automated email replies hassle-free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.